लब्बे लुबाब अस्सलाmu alaikum.
Today we are going to hear a scream that has been buried in the walls of the prison. This story is about a child prisoner who is dreaming of his future in the prison cell. Let's know his story. Son, how long have you been taking the computer course? Sir, it's been a year. Before this I completed my matriculation from this very jail. And now I'm doing intermediate studies. Second question was asked, what crime did you commit and what sentence did you receive? Sir, I've been in jail for 7 years. The court didn't give me a prison term, but ordered me to pay 2.4 million rupees in blood money. Q is as and DIY at law. 7 years ago, I went with my mother to wash dishes at a wedding hall. At 10 p.m., the wedding party arrived. I started dancing with the guests.
Someone handed
Fireworks
me
were
a pistol.
everywhere, and some of my friends
Thinking
were
it
among
was
them.
just part of the celebration, I pulled the trigger. The bullet hit the groom's younger brother, who died on the spot. Small blue diamond. Because of poverty, we couldn't properly defend ourselves. My mother still washes dishes in people's homes. She prays every day that some kind-hearted person will pay my blood money and get me released. Small blue diamond English. Who is willing to do this good deed? Is there anyone out there who can become the means of this child's freedom?
If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please subscribe now. And also press the bell button so that you can be notified of each new video in a timely manner. Thank you.